Okay, we need to do this. So we'll wait our 30 seconds so we can get to the fluid front end. I believe it was 21, 192. I think it was 21. Yes, it was. Okay. Holy bed leveling, Batman. It's quite the difference in mesh. Wow. Is there a history? So the history was deleted. Oh, I didn't realize you can zoom on this. That's kind of trippy. 30 seconds? Yep. Alright, so there we go. Route is still the same. So we should be able to go to... Whoa! To... What is it? 4408? 4008? No. 4408? What's the fluid front end, guys? Do you know? Oh, let me check on my other machines here. Should be 4408. I'm at 4408. No fluid? Alright, 4409 should be mainsail, right? Nada. Alright, let's do, let's open terminal. Let's SSH. This should be root. Yes. Password was what? Creality _ 2023, right? Okay, so we have root. Let's see here. Alright, you guys probably want to see this instead. Let's go to Kia. So hard to spell. But I always have to go to the site to remember how to launch the installer. Not found. Okay. Let's see if it'll let us install it, or will sudo. So you can't do sudo. I think we'll have to use. Oh, right, guys. Whoops. Every wrong button possible. We won't be able to do this because we need the helper script. Whoops. K1. Because I'd really love to see fluid. Let me grab that link. Access to web interface. Yeah, it should be 4408. Is it possible that it needs this? No. Is it possible that it requires this full address like this? Well, that's odd. So no fluid on this one for whatever reason. Where is our terminal window? Okay. Let's update the script. Okay. Let's run the installer. There we go. There we go. We're rooted. Hey, Buzzbird. Hey, Solo. What's up, guys? Okay. So let's see what we can get here. Oh, I'm typing in the wrong window. Alright, so first, let me go back, actually. Let me see what's already installed. So we're going to go to remove, but just to see. Oh, no, this window doesn't show us either. Whoops. Is it the information menu? Let's see. Aha. Here's what we're looking for. Okay, so we need to install Moonraker, all of it, Fluid. Let's do those first. I'm not going to mess with anything else. I just want those specifically. B, install. All right, first we're doing 1. Yes. Hey, Maker. Maker Viking. What's up? What's up? Helper script has been updated since I used the yes. Yes, it has. It's recently been updated, actually. Lots of more stuff. And the wiki has been updated. It's been pretty good. Yeah, so for those wondering what's happening on the screen right now, you know, we went into here, into the options, got SSH access, and now we're installing a different front end. I personally prefer Fluid, not for anything really specific, but I've used them all. So I meant I use Fluid on all my machines, so it's just nice to have it all on the same one. So just gonna quickly throw it on here. I'm surprised it's not on there already. I am, Vash. Sorry, it's in my nature. It's what I do. All right, those are the two main ones that I want. Obviously, I want Camp on here, but we'll do all that later. Yeah, that's all I want for now. Let's do Q. Cool. And now, let's see if this works. Of course it works. There we go. Now we have ourselves a rooted K1C. All right, so I like the auto-tune shapers in here. That's good. Let's take a look at that actually. Let's see on the bottom. Okay, so they did not change the way the input shaper works. The input shaper still does both tests. It does both the X and Y, but then it only applies the Y to both, or the X to both. It doesn't do it. Well, that's one of the things the helper can do, is it can split those apart. So, and yeah, camp is a requirement. Don't forget Antware. Yes, we will do all that later. I just wanted to get here to see it all. When done, will you have Clipper screen? No, the screen will still stay the Creality one. You cannot get the Clipper screen interface on this like that. But yeah, Charles, those two are the things that I always install right away. Well, firmware are you on? This is 1.3.2 that just came from it. All right, well, either way, I just wanted to see that. The other thing that I wanted to see was the A and B motors, which would be the X and the Y, how those are set up, but I'll have to jump into that a little later. Where's the rotation? Rotation distance is 40. I just wanted to see how they did it. I think everything's kept the same. They just made the motor smaller and put a smaller gearing on it. So we'll see. I don't want to touch any of that, and I don't suggest you guys do that on a brand new machine either. Oh yeah,